everybody. It is, I think, 4:30 a.m. It is actually extremely early. I am getting ready to go to the airport. I am heading to Las Vegas today, but I'm so freaking tired that I can't even show my excitement to you guys right now. I'm exhausted. I think I got maybe like 3 hours of solid sleep last night, and I was sleeping on the sofa just because my boyfriend came home late and he was just snoring and I just couldn't sleep properly. So anyways, I did not get my proper sleep. I'm exhausted and I have to wake up early to go to the airport, so my excitement is really low right now. I am gonna go to the airport, hopefully grab some coffee and head to the lounge and hopefully get my energy back up. And once I land in Vegas, I'll show you guys everything. Made it to Vegas. Currently gonna go to the Lyft/Uber pickup area and meet up my driver. Staying at MGM Signature with my parents for the next 2 days. They are actually staying here longer than me. I'm going to be heading back to Vancouver in 2 days. So I'm just here for a very short trip, but obviously I'm going to vlog it. We are staying in a very different room. If you guys watched my previous vlogs from years ago, the MGM Signature room that we stayed at was much bigger. But this time around, the room is much smaller. So let me pan through the room and let you check it out. All right, once you enter the room, to the right, you have the bathroom. It is a double sink. Hello. We got a standing shower. We got a tub. And then here we have the individual bathroom. Here we have like an ice bucket situation here. We have a bed here, but I'm not gonna show you further because my dad's like right there. We have a closet. We have a kitchen area, a wine cooler, sink, microwave, TV, and then once you go over here, that table is supposed to be like right here, but I'm sleeping on the sofa bed, so that's why it's out. We've already set it up. And then we got a dining table right here and all our water bottles that we took from downstairs. But yeah, it's the room, which is much smaller than what we stayed at previously. So my brother Melvin just landed. He is heading over right now. He's staying at the MGM side, MGM Grand, I think. Is he staying at MGM Grand?
No, Planet Hollywood.
Oh, he's staying at Planet Hollywood. So he's heading there right now, and then my other brother Milton is actually gonna join him tomorrow. And then we're just gonna be, you know, hanging out with each other for a very short period of time, and then I'll be leaving. But yeah, we are going to our favorite buffet today. If you guys know which one, comment down below. Okay, so my brother is here. We are going to Planet Hollywood to go find him right now. So let's go. How do you feel coming back to Vegas? She's excited, guys. She's excited. Of course, I'm so excited. We won money earlier. I'll put how much we won on the screen right now.
$20?
Yes, from $20. Look who we found.
So,
Hello, back to the vlog.
first time back in a long time.
Are you excited for Bacchanal Buffet?
I'm very excited.
We are back at Bacchanal Buffet tonight, one of our favorite buffets in Las Vegas. I'm going to be showing you guys all the things that I love to grab at Bacchanal every single time. So let's go and check it out. So for dinner, it costs $79.99 per person. So we'll see if this $80 is worth it. This is my first plate. I got some sushi right off the bat, a taco, pork lumpia, which is brand new. I've never seen that before. And then obviously some lobster claws and shrimp. Welcome back to the vlogs. Today it is day 2, which is my last full day here in Vegas. It's a very short trip. I didn't end the vlog last night just because I was exhausted and I passed out on the bed like right away. So today is a brand new day. It looks really sunny outside and we're gonna go and just grab some Starbucks right off the bat because we need some caffeine in us, and then we're gonna start our day. So let's get the day started. Starbucks. Oh. Breakfast time, starting off with Starbucks in Vegas. You guys are probably thinking we're kind of crazy because there's so many other things that we can possibly eat in Vegas, but there's gonna be a whole day of eating, so I'm not rushing into things. And quite honestly, I really need my coffee in the morning. My go-to drink is a oat milk latte, hot or ice, doesn't really matter. But today I feel like ice, so ice oat milk latte. Oh my god, so good. So, oh, they gave us 2 Impossible Burgers and a croissant. Mom, they gave us 2 Impossible Meat Burgers and a croissant.
Oh,
so it's 3. So anyways, story of Starbucks. They messed up our order, or like they forgot about our order. Oh my god, it's not focusing on my face. Yeah, so they forgot about our order and they gave us extra stuff. I ordered 1 Impossible Burger, but we got 2, and we also got a croissant, so lots of food. If you guys have never tried their Impossible Burger before from Starbucks, it's my favorite thing to eat. I don't get anything else except for this now because it's so tasty and delicious. Michael, did you? Learn go and a croissant. Our favorite game, but we didn't win anything today. Well, she is kind of winning. Reunited with Melvin. Milton is on his way right now. He's landing around 12:30, so we're gonna meet up with him later and we're gonna go grab food. Mel and I are grabbing a quick drink at this spot right here. Right behind me is a $5 lunch deal. It's called Ocean One. I've been there before. It's a really, really good deal. I highly recommend you guys checking it out. All the item menus are $5. Really, really worth it. Mill's grabbing his favorite meal, Panda Express. Mill, what is your favorite thing here?
The shrimp. The shrimp's the best.
His favorite.
Yeah, this is really good too.
So my brother Milton, this guy right here, is saying that I'm not vlogging enough, so my vlogging camera is officially out. What do you have to say?
I can't even hear you. What did you say?
What do you mean? I said that you were saying how that I'm not vlogging enough.
Yes, this is the signature Jess Chan vlogs. Welcome to Vegas, baby.
We are currently at Caesars. I just lost $20 playing craps.
I won $200.
He didn't win $200. Right now we're checking out this new place that's right in front of me. I actually don't know what it's called. Let me show you guys. What is this? Wait, what does it do? What does it do? This is the Dominique Ansel.
Cronut, right?
Is that the one you're telling us about? The cronut pastry?
Yeah, that thing, cronut.
Oh, like it's super good?
Apparently, it's really good.
Oh.
But they also have all these desserts.
Looks so good. Oh wow. Oh, that looks really pretty. Oh, there's a fortune cookie. That's so cool.
For
Oh my gosh.
That's what I love about
My brother, he's getting me some sweets.
Sugar daddy.
Sugar daddy. Wow. So Mill, my brother, right here, got me 2 of the most popular cronuts at this pastry place, the DK and their super popular cronut.
You have to try something. What are you creating snowman away?
All the jelly.
Not bad. I like the texture of the donut. Cronut.
Not bad. How's it?
This is good.
Better than the other one?
This one's something I'll drink for breakfast.
Really?
It tastes like that type of cookie, that butter cookie almost.
Oh, okay. I need to try this.
The butterfly one. Yeah, this is like the Chinese pastry. The butterfly cookie.
So right now we are gonna go for dinner. We are checking out this new Korean restaurant. It's called Captain Six. Never been, but it's supposed to be all you can eat Korean barbecue and also sushi, I think. We are gonna go with a couple of friends as well, so we're gonna be checking out to see if it's any good. The ratings on Google seems pretty good, so I will tell you guys what I think when we're there. So let's get going. Going to some Korean BBQ. Heading to Korean barbecue. Heading to Korean barbecue. Time for some Korean barbecue. Huh? Really? So all you can eat, all day special, $29.95. Obviously lunch would be cheaper, and you get all this. So for tonight we have 6 people. That means we get 2 orders of this, which comes with ribeye steak, the coffee, tomahawk steak, which I'm really excited, and the beef skirt steak. I really want to know what the shit is. They literally said strongly recommend. Very curious.